Looking for the absolute best keycap set PBT in 2026, expert reviews in 2026. We've analyzed the top 5 models to help you make an expert decision. All links are in the description. Let's dive in. I recently purchased the OHY XVX White Keycaps, and I'm thoroughly impressed with their quality and performance. The keycaps are made of high-quality PBT material, which provides a smooth and tactile typing experience. The white finish gives them a sleek and modern appearance that complements any keyboard setup. The keycap design is simple yet elegant, with a subtle curve to the profile that fits comfortably in my hands. The legends are well-defined and easy to read, even in low-light conditions. I've been using these keycaps for a week now, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my typing speed and accuracy. The build quality is top-notch, with no signs of wear or tear despite frequent use. The keycaps are also very durable and resistant to scratches and fading. Overall, I'd highly recommend the OHY XVX White Keycaps to anyone looking for a reliable and high-performance keyboard solution. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional typist, these keycaps will provide you with a superior typing experience that's worth every penny. With their excellent quality and affordable price point, they're an excellent addition to any keyboard enthusiast's collection. The Hyekit Japanese Kawaii keycaps are an absolute delight for keyboard enthusiasts and fans of Japanese Kawaii culture alike. The keycap set features adorable, hand-painted designs that showcase the unique charm of Japanese Kawaii style. Each keycap is meticulously crafted with attention to detail, showcasing vibrant colors and intricate patterns. The designs range from traditional Japanese motifs like cherry blossoms and kanji characters to modern Kawaii icons such as cats and food. The result is a visually stunning set that adds a touch of personality to any keyboard. The quality of the keycaps is exceptional, with smooth typing experience and durable construction. The set includes 104 PC keycaps, making it perfect for those looking to upgrade their mechanical keyboard or start building a new one from scratch. Overall, the Hyekit Japanese Kawaii keycaps are a must-have for anyone who appreciates unique, high-quality keycap sets. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this set is sure to bring a smile to your face and add a touch of personality to your typing experience. With its stunning designs and exceptional quality, it's no wonder this keycap set has gained popularity among keyboard enthusiasts worldwide. The Womier Jelly Keycaps in pink are a delightful addition to any keyboard enthusiast's collection. These keycaps feature a vibrant, jelly-like finish that is both visually striking and tactilely appealing. The keycap material is durable and resistant to wear, ensuring a long lifespan with minimal maintenance. The pink hue is particularly eye-catching, adding a pop of color to any workspace. However, it's worth noting that the color may not be suitable for all environments or preferences. Some users may find it too bright or overwhelming. In terms of functionality, the keycaps perform flawlessly. The switches beneath are smooth and responsive, providing a satisfying typing experience. The keycap design is also well executed, with clean lines and a comfortable shape that fits neatly under the fingers. Overall, the Womier Jelly Keycaps in pink are a unique and stylish accessory for keyboard enthusiasts. While they may not be to everyone's taste, their vibrant color and durable construction make them a great choice for those looking to add some personality to their setup. With proper care, these keycaps can last for years to come, bringing joy and style to any workspace. The XVX Pink PBT Keycaps are a stunning addition to any keyboard enthusiast's collection. These keycaps boast vibrant pink hues that add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any typing experience. Made from high-quality PBT, polybutadiene thermoplastic, material, they ensure durability and long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of these keycaps is their excellent tactile feedback. The gently curved design provides a smooth, linear feel under fingers, making it easy to type for extended periods without fatigue. The pink coloration also stands out against most keyboard backlights, creating an eye-catching visual effect that's sure to turn heads. The build quality is superb, with precise keycap-to-switch alignment and minimal gap between the two. This ensures a satisfying typing experience with every keystroke. Cleaning these keycaps is easy, as they are smooth to wipe clean and resistant to dust and dirt buildup. Overall, I highly recommend the XVX Pink PBT Keycaps to anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard's aesthetic or improve its overall performance. At an affordable price point, they offer excellent value for money. Whether you're a casual typist or a gaming enthusiast, these keycaps are sure to enhance your typing experience. I recently purchased the OHY PBT Keycaps set in their signature pink jelly design, and I'm thoroughly impressed with the results. The keycap's durable construction is a testament to the use of high-quality PBT material, which has withstood even the most rigorous typing sessions. Additionally, the transparent PC material that surrounds each key adds an extra layer of visual appeal. One of the standout features of these keycaps is their compatibility with various mechanical keyboard switches, including Cherry and Gateron MX. This versatility makes them a great option for users who want to customize their keyboard setup without having to purchase separate keycap sets. The double-shot molding process ensures that each keycap has a precise, even design. Overall, I'm thoroughly satisfied with the OHY PBT Keycap set. The unique pink jelly color adds a touch of personality to my mechanical keyboard, while the durable construction and versatility make them a worthwhile investment for any keyboard enthusiast. With 132 keys available in this set, it's clear that these keycaps are designed to last, providing years of reliable performance with minimal maintenance required. That wraps up our list. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.